Good day, my name is Emmanuel John P. Camora. I'm a first year student here at DCC. A good science teacher should possess three key characteristics to effectively educate their students and inspire a love for learning. First and foremost, strong communication skills are essential. Science concepts are often complex and can be challenging to understand. Without the ability to convey ideas clearly and concisely, teacher risk causing confusion which can hinder the learning process. A skilled science teacher can break down complicated topic into manageable parts, use relatable examples and adapt their teaching styles to meet the diverse needs of their students. Effective communication also includes active listening, which allows teacher to address questions and misconceptions, ensuring a deeper understanding of the subject matter. In addition to being a clear communicator, a great science teacher should be a fun and engaging individual. Making lessons enjoyable and interactive can significantly enhance students' learning experiences, especially since science can sometimes feel intimidating or overwhelming. By incorporating creative teaching methods such as hands-on experiments, group project, or storytelling, teacher can spark curiosity and maintain student interest. A fun approach not only alleviates student stress but also fosters a positive classroom environment where students feel encouraged to participate and explore new ideas without fear or failure. This enthusiasm can be contagious, motivating students to develop a genuine interest in science. Lastly, a dedicated commitment to the scientific community is crucial. For any science teacher, staying informed about the latest development and discoveries in the field ensure that teachers can provide accurate, up-to-date, and reliable information to their students. This dedication minimizes the risk of misinformation and enhance the overall learning experiences. Moreover, a commitment to science extends beyond the classroom, as a teacher serves as a model who demonstrate the value of curiosity, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. By staying actively engaged in the scientific community, the teacher can also inspire their students to pursue career in science and contribute to the advancement of knowledge. In summary, a good science teacher must be an excellent communicator, an engaging educator, and a dedicated member of the science community. By embodying these qualities, they can create a dynamic and supportive learning environment where students are empowered to explore questions and discover the wonders of science.